How to clear cookies and data on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear cookies and data on Opera Mini. First we're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then click on this icon here, Opera icon, and then click this one, settings icon, and then go down and you will find here clear browsing data, and click on it and then just select clear cookies and data, this one, and then click OK. And as you see data cleared, that's mean cookies and data has been cleared. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.